Kiharo kia Wadi Degra ni kuona kia mekire mehariria ma mwisho. Timu ino kuri tulugurua coach Sagara Kani akinura timu ino kugirira ngucanio cia kiuratani na cia guku bururi-ini o hamwe na kwacithia urangiri gatagati na ugumi wa timu ino ni iri yuikaine na rito ringi Junior Stars. Kenya ifagitwo gikundini kia A hamwe na timu cia Somalia, Burundi na ahaririria Eritria. Anake coach Sagara magathaka ngucanio ya mbere tariki 13/5 mweri uyu ciahanda thi 8 makigaragarania na timu ya Somalia. Ngucanio ya kire ikundi tariki 19 o the 8 muciĩ munene wa Asmara haha Kenya makarimana na Burundi. Eritria nio makahe Kenya kigeranio gia biũ kuona magathakira muciĩ. Ngucanio gatagati ka Eritria na Kenya igathakwo tariki 23 thaa 10:30. Akorwo anake a Junior Stars ni makegatira tigiti wa ikirikaria semi-finals makongerera matuko mao Eritria nginya tariki 1 mweri wa 9 rĩrĩa finals igathakwo. Coach Lokani akiuga timu ino kuretu home gwa kahinda karaya na maria mathomete me hamwe ni maingi komaguna muciĩ wa Asmara.
Play football, which is exciting and entertaining, and they have a good time while doing it. Because at the end of the day, they need to love these experiences so they can stay in the game. The longer our boys can stay in the game and enjoy the game, the bigger the chance they're going to play with us at the highest level.
Ona cio jamba cia timu ino irewa niciharire ukarirukie bendera ya Kenya no shaba wona birika ici cianjĩrĩria.
Kuna mwili lakini haijalishi, mtu anacheza na akili na pia confidence. Kwa timu kila msee amejipanga, tuko tayari na tumejipanga, kila mtu kuna hiyo confidence ya kucheza.
We're going for a win obviously, but we need to learn on how we build up, because the structure, we need to learn stuff like that, the tactical aspects of the game.
Timu ya Harambee Stars dikuretu gika wega mathako-ini ma kimabururi. No kuri na timu ya anake anini mwihoko wa mashabiki gĩbũrũri-inĩ kuri timu ya mubira waya gucokereria agikorwo anake Junior Stars ni makwandĩkithia maumĩrĩra mega. Ngiribotera Inooro TV njĩtagwo John Kata Wanjohi.